back to Living Life with Jerry and Mel. You just saw a video of what happens to my poor little greenhouse when it comes a rain here. So we have decided to pull up stakes and move it, which we have a couple of struggles here. We live in the middle of the woods, so we have lots of tall trees and don't get a whole lot of sunshine. So that's one, and then our property is pretty much sloped everywhere. There's nothing really level. So what we found us a kind of level section, and we have got some pavers that we're gonna put in a floor for the greenhouse. So we're gonna move it around to the front of the house, and hopefully we won't have these flooding problems anymore. So stick with us, it's never easy. It's moving day. But good news, a couple of my lettuces are starting to break through the ground. Yay! So before we put the greenhouse in its new home, we are going to wash it off, get all this mud off. Thank you. Sounds like that rain's just about on top of us. So here I am in my new location for my greenhouse. I've got a new floor. We upgraded, and now I've got all put back in place. This is my little Bluetooth temperature humidity gauge thermometer. So sounds like we're about to get us a good storm. So thank you for sticking with us while we've made this change. I hope this is where it's going to stay now. So I'll give you an update soon. If you like the video, if you can, give it a like or maybe a hype if that's available, and subscribe to our channel if you're not already. We would really appreciate that. It would help us out. We're just a small channel. So we will see you next time on Living Life with Jerry and Mel. Bye.